Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. So, unlike many houses, we do not start our day with tea but with a cup of warm water with lemon in it, followed by a super healthy weight loss breakfast recipe for my husband. Now, this is oats and moong dal idli, accompanied by nariyal and peanut chutney. I will share the recipe of this in one of my later videos. Now, this has given some nice results. And after sending my husband off to work, I will have my morning cup of tea along with the typical middle class biscuit, which you can see. Now this 15 to 20 minutes is the time where I peacefully have my morning chai, and this is what gets me started for the day. Now after having my chai, I will just get done with some household chores like keeping away my clothes, which has been lying in my dresser for the last 2 days. I like my wardrobe to be neatly stacked. And after doing some of the housework, it was time to get ready to go to actual work. I have recently discovered this Uber Auto, which is very convenient for me more than the cab since my workplace is just 15 minutes from my home. And at work, I had a very lengthy appointment today. It took a lot of time, but the patient was pretty cooperative, so everything went on very smoothly. Now, what I'm doing here is the last sitting of the root canal treatment. And after finishing off my work, I leave work at 7:30. After coming back home, we decided to go out for dinner as it is my brother-in-law's birthday today. And so yeah, why not? So we decided to go to one of the restaurants we frequently visit in Dwarka itself. Now this is a new QR code thing which is started for the contactless menu, but we still ended up touching the actual menu. Here comes our starters. The food was pretty good today, but I missed the cheese naan, which is really good at this place. But it was not available today. So after dinner, we decided to go for a small drive to India Gate because my husband really likes having ice cream from the vendors over there. And the weather was also pretty pleasant, and it was very less crowded comparatively today. He actually always orders this Magnum chocolate one, and I never even get a single bite out of it. And after having the ice cream, we're just gonna go home now. It's around 11:15. And this was it for today. Let me just end this vlog by showing the image of the real man, Bapu. Thank you for watching, guys. Good night. Bye bye. Thank you.